Once upon a time, in a small mountain town, lived a 24-year-old young man named Marco. His mind never seemed to rest. Thoughts came and went all day long, memories from the past, worries about the future, and fears that never let him breathe. Because of this constant storm inside his head, Marco felt exhausted. He couldn't sleep well, couldn't enjoy anything, and had almost forgotten how to smile. One day, Marco heard about a quiet village high in the hills. People said a wise old man lived there, a former psychologist from the city who had helped many find peace within themselves. Now retired, he chose a life close to nature, sharing his wisdom only with those who sought it. Marco felt a spark of hope. Maybe he can help me, he thought. So he packed his things and began a long, tiring journey. After several days of travel, he arrived. He found a small house covered in greenery. On its porch sat the old man, eyes closed, resting in a deep, peaceful silence. Marco approached carefully. "Sir," he whispered, "my mind is restless. I can't stop thinking. I want peace. Can you help me?" The old man opened his eyes and smiled kindly. "So you seek peace," he said softly. "Come, I have a small task for you." He led Marco to the yard, filled a glass of water to the very top, and handed it to him. "Walk to the edge of the village and return," he said. "But remember, don't let a single drop spill." Marco nodded, a bit confused, but determined. He held the glass carefully and began walking. The road was narrow and full of life. Children playing, shopkeepers calling, dogs barking in the distance. But Marco didn't look at any of it. His eyes stayed fixed on the glass. Step by step, slow and steady, he focused only on keeping the water still. When he finally returned, not a drop had spilled. "I did it," Marco said proudly. The old man smiled. "That's wonderful," he said. "But tell me, did you see the children playing? Did you hear the dogs barking?" Marco frowned. "No, I didn't notice anything. I was focused only on the water." The old man nodded. "That is the secret," he said. "When your mind stays in the present moment, there's no space left for fear, no room for regret, no noise from the past or future. Just this moment right here." Marco felt something shift inside him. He understood. All his life he had been lost in thoughts, thinking of what had already happened, or what might go wrong tomorrow. But peace wasn't somewhere far away. It was already inside him, waiting for him to return to the present. He bowed his head and said, "If I want peace, I must learn to be here, in this moment." The old man smiled again as the sun dipped behind the mountains. Birds flew home, and the world grew quiet. Marco walked back, but he was different now. Calm, steady, and at peace. Because he finally knew how to quiet his mind. If you enjoyed this story, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories on WordyVerse. Until next time, stay present, stay peaceful.